Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix primevideo.com video help something went wrong error Amazon video troubleshooting. Step 1 is refresh the Prime Video app. Navigate to setting, then application, then manage installed application, then Prime Video. Click on force stop to halt the app operation. Select clear cache to remove temporary files. Uninstall the Prime Video app completely. Restart your streaming device. Re-download the Prime Video app from the App Store. Second fix is power cycle your hardware. Unplug your streaming device from the power outlet. Then unplug your internet modem and Wi-Fi router. Then wait for exactly 60 seconds. Plug back in the modem and router first. Wait for all light to turn green. Plug in your streaming device, turn it on and open Prime Video. Third fix is disable VPN and proxies. Turn off any VPN or proxy software running on your router, computer, phone or streaming device. Disconnect from public Wi-Fi network that might use restrictive firewall. Fourth fix is verify account and HDMI security. Log into Amazon on your phone or computer, then navigate to the account to verify your Prime membership status. Check that your payment method is valid. For Fire Stick like Roku, Apple TV or console, unplug the HDMI cable from both the device and the TV. Reconnect the HDMI cable firmly to ensure a secure connection. Use a direct port connection without an external HDMI splitter. Thanks for watching.